Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me.
This week in 1896, Hotel James City in Toano hosted a delightful hop. The dance party was well attended by young people who arrived from as far away as Richmond and Newport News. Partygoers enjoyed music and festivities until 2 o'clock in the morning under the watchful eyes of Mrs. Marston and Mrs. Hankins, who chaperoned the event. This week in 1911, Mr. F.H. Baldwin was chosen as the new principal of the school in Five Forks. Prior to moving to James City County, Baldwin had served as a math and Latin professor at Shenandoah College.
Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.